Alright guys, today we're going to make spaghetti sauce. We are going to use just a big can of primo tomato basil. This is what we have here. I'm going to use that and a few other cans of random sauce. And we're going to make it our own, basically. Alright, so I also like the Italian meatballs. We're going to put 2 bags of these in. They're like $10 a bag. Okay, so I'm going to cut the onion up here.
It's a little bit smaller. That one's mine.
Alright guys, so we're going to heat up the pans. I threw in a dab of butter. For some reason the audio cut out on this video, so I'm going to do a voiceover. Alright, so the meatballs are cooking, and so is the ground beef. You need to stir often. I just added the onions. I also am going to add mushrooms. All I did was keep them large, so all I did was cut them in half so that my family that doesn't like mushrooms can actually take them out of their spaghetti sauce if they don't want them. I just emptied the pan and I'm draining the beef now, and I just added some more beef to the pan. Make sure that you stir so that nothing sticks to the pan and the pot.
Alright, so that's what it looks like. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add the tomato sauce straight to it. You can already tell this is not going to be enough tomato sauce. Alright, so I'm going to add a few bay leaves. Try to get them whole so that this way you can pick them out whenever you don't, when you're done with the sauce. Or what I do is I just leave them in, and when I'm serving the sauce up, I just find them and pick them out, or get the kids just to pick them out whenever they're eating their food. Add the hamburger now. We'll give this a stir. I'm definitely going to need some more tomato sauce, and I think another pack of hamburger. We're going to add more parsley to this. Just probably about 1/3, 1/4 cup. Alright guys, so that's about 5.5 liters. Alright, that looks like the perfect consistency. Put this on the stove now. Bring it up to a simmer and let it simmer for about 1 hour to 2 hours. I'll taste it here and there just to make sure that it doesn't need anything else, and then I'll show you my trick at the end to make it that much better. Bring it up a level. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the last secret you're going to get out of this sauce, I already added it. Did you see this right here? That is cream cheese. So this has 1 pack of cream cheese in it. It does take a while for it to melt. What you try to do is just hit it a few times like this and spread it out, and it does seem to work a little bit better. My family absolutely loves the cream cheese in it. Instead of adding tomato paste to thicken it up, if you add a little cream cheese, it makes it a lot better, and it's a lot creamier in texture. So we're going to add 1 more pack of cream cheese. There you go. So that's half a pack. We're going to start with half. So right now we have one whole brick and a half of cream cheese in there. Alright. That's what it looks like when it's done.